Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back. Thank you for stopping by on my channel. I just want to quickly show you how I got this look done with no stress. Okay. All right. First of all, it's been so long and I had to like do a dance for you guys because Hey, can you tell I'm super excited? I'm not even going to lie. I miss you guys so much. Thank you, because you guys have been a very wonderful family to me, and I'm like, today we're back and we're better. Now let's get to work. So right now I am just going in with my serum from the brand. I think I displayed this. I'm just going to quickly like apply that all over my face. You know the drill. Moisturize is very important. Moisturize completely. You can never have too much moisturizer. So at this point I'm just like putting it into my body and into my skin rather. And all right guys, so this is moisturizer. You guys, as you can see, the bottle is out, but I mean, there's still something coming up. Yes, I had to like do that. Yes, I had to. I mean, it's my money. I have to take out all the juice, right? All right. Yes. I can't even begin to tell you how soothing this actually felt on my skin. See, I was closing my eye gradually. Meanwhile, this is actually Moisture Sense from Blossom Cosmetics. You guys, a must have. See, are you seeing the dew on my face? Are you seeing the moisture? Are you seeing the glow? All right, so I quickly made sure to get my hair done, like fix it in a way that it's going to like look really amazing. So at this point I was noticing that thing had a white cast, so I had to go in with this black gel. Oops, it's so dark, and I said, okay, I'm gonna walk it through. So your hair is one of the things that you have to ensure that it is neatly done, it is neatly packed, or whatever you have to do, just something really nice. You don't want your makeup to appear like you not put an effort when in actuality you did that. So your hair contributes to the outcome of your makeup, make no mistake about it. So I'm just like doing something really to ensure that I have like a banger, you know. So yeah, I'm generally down with edge control, just a little bit, tiny bit of it. This is my natural hair, by the way. I'm just like packing it. So one of my best hairdo is actually my natural hair. So yes, so now that I've gotten that out of the way, I went in to add a primer. Right, not to prime is a crime. Yes, make sure that you're primed, and I'm using this aqua grape cosmetics primer. Is a hydrating primer, and it has this aqua grape effect, something to secure your foundation to stay locked in for 24 hours. Of course, I went in with my foundation, you guys. This is really important. Look at that. I always tell you, pick a foundation that suits your skin type and of course your shade at the same time. This is a House of Tara foundation, by the way. Notice that I used two. That's because my complexion keeps increasing and improving by the day. Like 1 minute I'm light in complexion, the next minute I'm lighter in complexion. So I don't know, so I'm just like working my way through with this foundation. And first of all, the secret to the outcome of this entire makeup is actually the base. Ensure that your base is clean, and your base, the total outcome of your base is from your skin prep to your skin work. Okay, so I noticed that I was looking pale and I realized that foundation has like touched my lip. So I like, okay, so you see, I'm not one of those people that my hand is used to check the complexion of my face. That's why I had to put that side by side. At this point I'm just going in with slight contouring to of course bring back dimensions on my face, and I used this VBT foundation as my contour shade. So I'm going to leave all the products that I used in the description box so that you can like check them out. Ah, Lord, see, at this point I knew that this makeup was gonna eat, right? So I went into cream blush with this Eye Magic lip palette, and yes, this is a lip palette and you can actually use it for anything you want to. You know me, I will always play with my products and of course show you how versatile it can be. I'm using this product to just like, you know, go over my cheeks to give me that warmth that I need. Come on guys, look at me now. At this point you should know that I know what I'm doing. I know my onions. I'm skilled for this job. Yes, I use a concealer to go under my eyes. You guys, this is really important. Your eyes are always looking tired, so you need light in that area. So this concealer is sort of lighter than my original complexion, but not so. I noticed even from this video that it's not so light like that, because I really love me some bright under eyes. So I'm just going in with you know to just put on my highlight points, my T-zones. Notice where I ensure to get like a T, an actual T on my forehead, right? This is how sometimes I like to go with my highlights on you guys. So I'm just like placing them where they're supposed to be, as you can see, guys. So take your time to ensure that your base is good. I'm not even going to lie, I will say this for the bajillionth time. The base is the most important aspect of makeup. I don't care, personal opinion, but then I really do not care. Yes, if your complexion products are right, trust me, even when you draw in a very perfect brows, it still looks, so it looks like you know what you're doing, your onions. If you notice, so this will be like my holy grail secret to my flawless makeup. So a lot of people ask me, what you make something different about your makeup. This is the difference here. Today I am spilling all the teas. I'm going to invest in products that work real magic for me, and you guys know that I know my onions, so sometimes it's not even particularly about the brand like that, but I mean, brands have to be good. And I'm not even going to lie to you, Nigerian brands, you guys are doing so much. And right about now, not only do you deserve a flower, you deserve a whole garden. That's Beach by Ageless powder, and I use it to another Nigerian brand actually. You guys, give it up for Nigeria. We are doing so well with the makeup, right? So I just went in with this under eye whitish on what's it called, undertone kind of powder. Notice I actually went with another bright concealer after the first one that I used. That's because for me I really like a very under eye, bright under eye. You guys, you will see why I said that in a minute. So I quickly went in with the same palette, got the the dark shade of the powder there, just like powder contoured everywhere that I cream contoured at the same time. You guys, this is actually the game changer. At this point it might look like everything is without form and void, but trust me, you have done 70% of the work here. So I quickly did my eyebrows, not something really perfect, something decent, clean, and now is not the time to ensure that your everything is on fleek, your brow is stronger. You don't have time, right? So you just have to do something that's decent, something that works. Ensure, that's why I always say, ensure that your skin work, your skin prep, everything is on point. See, I did not even do too much. You guys, I'm telling you, I did not fast, like add speed to this editing. While I was editing, I did not add speed. Is the exact progression I was using that is used here. So usually I would actually I'm actually fast on my makeup, so excuse if I look like I'm adding speed. No, this is typical me on a Sunday morning, on any day at all that I actually want to throw makeup on my face. See, makeup is not rocket science. I have shared it before when I debunked that myth. It is doable, it's achievable, a lot of things. So this is a look that you can actually get done in 15 minutes. I kid you not. It's a very very, very quick, straight to the point kind of look. So the secret right here is ensuring that your base is clean. That is the only magic that happened here. If you notice, your base is clean. Very, very important. I actually did almost nothing on my eyes. So one of the things that I like to actually say, most of the things I'll be saying here, just leaving, you know, tiny tips here and there, is eyeshadow is something that you shouldn't overthink. You can as little as just apply a very, you know, dark eyeshadow on your lid, dark powder shade on your lid, and it looks like you have done so much. One of the things you shouldn't overthink at all is eyeshadow. Yes, don't overthink. It does not even have to, you don't have to cut crease all the time. You don't have to be doing a lot of things just because you want to, you know, do your makeup. At this point, this makeup here was already done. I was done with the eyes at this point. You can decide to pop some lash. You can decide to just use mascara. Most Sundays I don't use mascara. You guys know that. I don't use false lash rather. You guys know this already. So I just went into, like, you know, do my lips. I played around with the eye magic palette and all the lipsticks that I use in this video. Colors that I picked from the palette that I just displayed a while ago. So yes, very, very important. Just play with your product and you guys, you're going to have like a really, really fantastic outcome. You want to apply these principles that I used here. I did not keep any information here, and if there's something that you really want to know, something I did not put out in this video, I'm going to say leave me a comment down below. Say, yeah, I changed my mind. I actually went and I popped some lashes. I'm like, why not? For the sake of this video, because I was feeling myself. I just, like, you know, use highlighter to add shine. I put on some really gorgeous earrings, brought my hair out. I told you guys, hair changes again. As you can see, your baby girl was glowing, was doing everything. So please, at this point, if you have not liked this video, you're not doing me well. I mean, let the whole world see this gorgeousness. Give me a like, drop me a comment down below. On a scale of 1 to 10, how do you rate this makeup? What exactly do you want me to share about makeup or something at all that you're interested in? Please, if you have not joined this community, do well to subscribe, do well to give me a thumbs up, do well to please share this video and drop me an amazing comment. I love you guys so much. Look at me now, look at that. I mean, like, I didn't do anything, effortless kind of makeup. Like, God, I was created on, is it Sunday morning now? I don't even know. You be the judge of that. All right, so guys, thank you for all your love, your support, your amazing, awesome love. I mean, it's the way you guys have not even seen me before and you love me, but I promise you, I am back. I am bigger, and then I am better, and we are growing. And YT, more videos coming, more content. Put on your notification bell. I'll see you